Hi, I'm Funcoin788. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Alice by just adding a character and moving a character forward and backward. First, add an adult or anyone into your Alice project. In this screen, you can move around your Alice characters, left, right, front, backward. To move your camera, just use these arrows down here. And then click Edit Code Now once you're ready. First, hover on this dot elder person and do left click. These are broken into different categories such as position, say, orientation, and so on. First, do by move, bringing move into your My First method. And then click whatever you have to. For example, if I want to move my character forward, click forward. If you want to move them up or down, please click the following buttons. In this case, I'll be moving my character forward by just clicking, hovering, and then moving to this screen. In this screen, you can select how much you want to move your character forward, such as 10 units, 2 units, 1 unit, or your custom decimal number. I'll be doing 5 units. As you can see, 5 units have popped up. And if I run this program, my character is going to move 5 units. And so, I move my character forward and backward. Now, I'll be trying to move my character left. So, you can change the direction right here by left, or you can drag in another move statement, select left, and the number of units you want to. In this case, my character went out of the screen due to the reason that I was moving the character too far away to the left. And this video ends here by showing you how to move your character forward, backward, left, and right using the number of units you want to. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to create a small scene using scenes, functions, and many more characters in a program. Thank you for watching.